Welcome to the Quick Start Guide for Univer. In this video, I'll show you how to set up your environment and create your first interactive spreadsheet using Univer in just a few minutes. Let's dive in. Before we get started with Univer, let's make sure our development environment is ready. First, download and install Node.js from the official website. After installation, open your terminal and check if it's installed. If you see version numbers, Node.js and npm are successfully installed. Next, download and install VS Code. This will make coding much easier. Now, let's set up our project using Vite, a fast build tool that simplifies modern web development. In your terminal, run this command to initialize a new project. When prompted, provide a project name, for example, Univer Quick Start, choose Vanilla as the framework, and select TypeScript as the variant. After the project is created, navigate to the project folder and install the required dependencies. To make sure everything is set up, run the development server. Open the URL shown in your terminal, and you should see the default Vite project running in your browser. Next, let's install Univer and create your first interactive spreadsheet. We refer to the official documentation of Univer and find the installation tutorial. In the terminal, run the following command to install Univer presets. Get the Univer initialization code. Open the project in VS Code, find the main file, and replace its content with the following code. Ensure that the container value is associated with the DOM element. Remember to add height to the DOM container. Restart your development server to see the changes. Open your browser, and you'll see your first Univer interactive spreadsheet. That's it, you've successfully set up Univer and created your first spreadsheet. For more advanced features and detailed documentation, check out the official Univer GitHub repository. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.